So we have another day, actually 2 days. So one of the days we were building a to-do list, and the other day we had an individual work day. So because I didn't really get a lot of what the professor was doing, so on the individual work day I was trying to build the to-do list by myself. And so here's how it looks. Let me change the screen quick. So basically here's the task. Here we enter something, to do task. Set a date. So choosing a date was actually my my idea. That was not in the example that the professor showed. And then the importance, and if I press add to task list, so it appears here. We see their priority. At the moment it's shown as a number. We see the date. We can press done or delete. Those buttons don't work yet. That's the next thing for me to figure out. And the cool thing about this is that it's actually being saved in the local storage, which means that it's saved in the browser, which allows to, when I refresh the page, it actually stays up there. So, and that you can access through developer tools, and then in this tab application, local storage, and there we are. This is the value. So it has the task saved, and that's done through something that is called local storage. So we input items there and we get items from there. So local storage. Yeah, so that button works. These buttons don't yet. My thought is that the reason they don't work yet is because I am saving to the storage the information as one string, but it doesn't understand it's an object, so I cannot find certain parts of the HTML code, which means that the JavaScript doesn't understand that in this text there are parts that it can change or use for other functions. So that's a theory. I'm gonna test it today and see if I can make it work. I have 40 minutes until our meeting with the class, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, so I'm starting to get more how functions work as well, which is apparently the basis of using JavaScript, so I'm glad that's kind of in the picture. So yeah, just a short update because I want to get back to this and actually get this figured out and working the way it should. So that's it for today, and I'll try to not miss days like the last Friday. Cheers.